I was sent this cleanser. I'm going to show you how to use it and the before and after. So here's our before right now. I actually just have tinted SPF on, but you want to apply this to a dry skin. And I love the packaging. So you literally twist it and it kind of comes out, reminds me of like peeling carrots, which is so perfect. So that's how it comes out. And then you're just going to swipe across to grab everything. And then it feels like butter going on, really, really smooth. And then just rub it in circular motions on your face. I think it smells really good. Kind of has like a botanical smell, maybe a little bit of a carrot smell to it. Also has cranberry in it as well. And this is all you do. You can add a little bit of water as well. It's gonna melt off all your makeup, all your impurities, and then we will rinse it off with lukewarm water. A little goes a long way. You can use just like one twist and you'll be good to go. I have a wet towel here, so I am going to add just a little bit of water from it to emulsify. And then we're going to use this to get everything off. And you'll see any dirt, grime, sweat, all the things. I played pickleball earlier. It's definitely a sweaty game, so getting a lot of that off. This can remove mascara, makeup, everything. And there you have it. My skin feels squeaky clean. All the impurities and the dirt and the grime came right off. This Nourishing Cleansing Balm is amazing, and I think you're gonna love it as well.